Welcome back to Health Journey, your trusted companion on the path to wellness. We're dedicated to providing you with essential knowledge to empower you on your health journey. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Today, let's delve deeper into the 15 bad habits that could be harming your kidneys and how you can make positive changes to protect your kidney health. 1. Excessive salt intake. Consuming too much salt can lead to high blood pressure and strain on the kidneys. Processed foods are often loaded with hidden sodium. Are you reading food labels carefully to monitor your salt intake? 2. Not drinking enough water. Adequate hydration is crucial for kidney function. Do you make a conscious effort to drink enough water throughout the day, especially during hot weather or physical activity? 3. Ignoring high blood pressure. Uncontrolled high blood pressure can damage the small blood vessels in the kidneys over time. Have you consulted with your healthcare provider about managing your blood pressure effectively? 4. Overindulging in alcohol. Alcohol can dehydrate the body and disrupt kidney function. How often do you find yourself exceeding recommended alcohol limits? 5. Skipping meals. Irregular eating patterns can affect blood sugar levels and stress the kidneys. Are you prioritizing balanced meals and snacks throughout the day? 6. Much sugar. Diets high in sugar can contribute to obesity, diabetes, and kidney disease. Are you mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods and beverages? 7. Not getting enough sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation can impair kidney function and increase the risk of kidney disease. Are you establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a conducive sleep environment? 8. Smoking. Smoking narrows blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney disease. Have you explored smoking cessation resources and support? 9. Overuse of painkillers. Non-prescription pain medications, when used excessively, can damage the kidneys. Have you consulted with your healthcare provider about alternative pain management strategies? 10. Ignoring urinary tract infections. UTIs left untreated can progress to kidney infections and cause permanent damage. Are you seeking prompt medical attention for urinary symptoms? 11. Excessive caffeine. Consumption. Caffeine can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Are you mindful of your caffeine intake from coffee, tea, energy drinks, and other sources? 12. Lack of exercise. Physical inactivity can contribute to obesity, high blood pressure, and kidney disease. How can you incorporate more movement and exercise into your daily routine? 13. Ignoring diabetes. Management. Uncontrolled diabetes can damage the kidneys and lead to kidney failure. Are you monitoring your blood sugar levels regularly and following your healthcare provider's recommendations? 14. Consuming processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can harm kidney health. Are you prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods in your diet? 15. Ignoring symptoms. Early detection and treatment of kidney problems can prevent further damage. Are you aware of the signs and symptoms of kidney disease, such as changes in urination, swelling, fatigue, and nausea? By addressing these bad habits and making positive lifestyle changes, you can protect your kidney health and reduce your risk of kidney disease. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance. If you found this information helpful, please share it with your friends and loved ones. Together, let's prioritize kidney health and embark on a journey to lasting wellness. Stay tuned for more empowering content from Health Journey. Take care and be well.